In this video, I'm going to unbox this Languo Gel Pens Master Edition and show you all the colors in this set and how they look like on white, black, and craft papers. Hey friends, it's Day here and I'm helping stationery collectors build their collections. Links are at the description box or pinned at the comment section. Let's begin. I really like how this box looks. It's clean and well organized. At the back, you'll see more product details and features. At the upper part, you'll see the color numbers. First, let's unbox this Languo Gel Pen Master Edition. Inside the box, you'll get bags full of pens arranged by color families. Each bag contains 84 pens arranged by color set. You can combine the bags together or detach them into two separate packs for easier sorting and storage. The barrels are printed with codes so you can track your swatches easily. Let's dive into color series and rate their performance according to this matrix. Shade and variety, smoothness, white paper, black paper, and craft paper performance, opacity, and palette usefulness. If you love galaxy art, dreamy florals, and night theme journaling, this purple style set is perfect for you. Labeled as MZ series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in soft lavender, lilac, violet, and deep plum. Bring magic to every page with this purple set. If you love drawing plants, leaves, and nature spread, then this green style set is perfect for you. Labeled as ZS series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in mint green, leaf green, moss, and forest shades. Make your art come alive with this green set. If you love bold lettering, roses, and romantic design, then this lipstick red set is perfect for you. Labeled as CH series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in cherry red, crimson, ruby, and deep wine. Add a pop of passion with lipstick red set. If you love cute layouts, floral doodles, and girly theme, then this sweet pink set is perfect for you. Labeled as TF series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in baby pink, blush, candy pink, and coral. Sweeten your spread with this sweet pink set. If you love highlights, sunshine effects, and cheerful accent, then this warm yellow set is perfect for you. Labeled as WH series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in butter yellow, golden, lemon, and mustard. Brighten your pages with this warm yellow set. If you love skies, oceans, and calming blues, then this blue style set is perfect for you. Labeled as HL series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in sky blue, aqua, turquoise, and deep navy. Keep your spreads serene with this blue set. If you love coloring portraits and characters, then this color of skin set is perfect for you. Labeled as FS series, this set includes 18 pieces of gel pens in light to deep skin tones. Bring characters to life with color of skin set. If you love autumn art, sunsets, and warm gradients, then this reddish yellow set is perfect for you. Labeled as HN series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in amber, brown, orange yellow, and golden shades. Make your spread glow with this reddish yellow set. If you love deep shadows, moody art, and dramatic outlines, then this colorful black set is perfect for you. Labeled as BH series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in near black shades with subtle undertone. Add depth with the Morandi colorful black set. If you love soft planners and pastel color themes, then this Morandi set is perfect for you. Labeled as MT series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in pastel pink, blue, green, purple, and soft muted tones. Keep it dreamy with the Morandi sweet set. If you love muted palettes and vintage style journaling, then this set is perfect for you. Labeled as MF series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in dusty blue, muted green, soft clay, and faded rose. Keep it timeless with the Morandi retro set. If you love minimalist layout and neutral aesthetic, then this Morandi set is perfect for you. Labeled as MY series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in soft beige, muted brown, and low saturation tones. Stay chic with the Morandi salt set. If you love retro spread and earthy design, then this Morandi set is perfect for you. Labeled as MB series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in muted greens, dusty blue, and faded browns and natural tones. Bring nostalgia to your pages with the Morandi Nordic set. If you love warm neutrals and cozy earth aesthetics, then this set is perfect for you. Labeled as MY series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pen in brown, caramel, cocoa, terracotta, and muted warm neutrals. Perfect your vintage journaling and rich layered spread with this Maillard set. If you love bold highlights and eye-catching titles, this dopamine set is perfect for you. Labeled as DB series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in neon pink, green, yellow, orange, and blue. Make your spreads pop with this neon dopamine set. If you love neon and fluorescent aesthetics, then this set is perfect for you. Labeled as GF series, it includes 9 pieces of gel pens in vibrant neon colors. Perfect for highlighting keynote, accent lettering, color coding planners, and adding bold pop to your journals and sketch. Perfect your notes, planners, and creative spread with this highlight set. If you love sketching, grayscale shading, and shiny decorative accents, then these sets are perfect for you. Labeled as SM series for sketch set and JY series for metallic set. The SM series includes 6 gel pens in black and layered gray tone for outline and shading, while the JY series includes 3 gold, 3 silver, and 3 white if you buy it in set. Perfect your outlines, shadings, and highlights with this sketch set and highlight set. Overall, they perform well on black craft and white papers. Here's a summary of all the group set and series. You can also buy each set individually online depending on your preferred color family. Each color group contributes to 162 unique colors, plus 3 extra blacks, 1 extra silver, 1 extra gold, and 1 extra white, for a total of 168 pens. And there you have it, the full Languo Master Edition color swatches. Which set is your favorite? Drop a comment below if you'd like me to do an in-depth review of this brand. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay happy and creative.